Hello everyone. So when do you have some of your best beard days? And what I mean by that is, the days that either you comb your beard or you're working on it and you're like, wow, I'm having a good beard day, right? So what days is that? Or how many days a week? I'm going to tell you what I found that I have my best beard days really after the days that I do a beard wash or I do um, a stripping on my beard. And man, those are some of my best beard days. But we don't do that every day, right? Because that's using beard um, shampoo. And then the other days we would use like a co-wash or we would use conditioner to wash our beard. So what I found is, and maybe you're experiencing this too, is along the way, my beard tends to get heavier and thicker with product, and it just doesn't lay like it did when I first cleaned everything out and started adding things back in again. Like I said, one of my best beard days is the days that I wash everything out and just finish with a little bit of oil. So I think I can duplicate that, or I have been duplicating that, and I just wanted to pass that on to you. So hang with me. I'll be right back here. Going to have a little bit of noise. You guys, what I'm doing here is just my normal morning routine. I am using the blow dryer. It's not hot. It's warm. I've never really used the hot, and maybe I can get away from it. I don't know. It just tends to work for me, and this is my process. So stick with me, and then I'll explain a little bit more of how maybe we can have some more better beard days. Again, I'm using warm air. It's not hot at all. I mean, it's just warm. And All right, guys. So that is it's a real quick view of my morning routine. So what I have done today is I've showered. I've stripped my beard of the oils using my beard shampoo. What I use actually is a hard bar of soap, of beard shampoo soap. And yeah, like I said, I have some of my best days on the days that I strip my beard. So what I've learned is throughout the week, first of all, I think this is why it's happening. This is why it's happening because we're using oils and butters and maybe balms throughout the day, sometimes 2-3 times maybe, depending on what your process is. But as we're doing that, we're coating our hair, and then we're jumping in and we're co-washing or just washing with conditioner and not beard shampoo, and which is what we want to do throughout the week. But I believe what that's doing is it's coating the hair and it's making it heavier, and it just doesn't feel, it doesn't really feel right to me. It feels heavier. maybe sometimes fluffier, and I'm not getting what I want, the feel that I want, or the lay that I want, and that's because of all these products slowly building up over time. Because like today, I stripped mine out, but the next 4 days or so, I'm going to use conditioner, right? And that slowly builds up along with my butter and my oils that I'm putting in also. So what I have found is back off on that oil, back off on the butter. I think we're all using too much product. I know that I was. You guys, I was going through almost a whole dropper because, man, it smelled good and it feels good. But really, it's not doing the justice to my beard. I'm down to like 8 drops, 6 to 8 drops, and put it in. And my butter in the evening, big old wad of butter, right? Because I love the way that it feels, especially in the morning. And I'm down to like a pinky nail of butter. And I'm getting just, oh man, it feels great. Just as good, if not better, results. So you guys, this is what I want to tell you is try backing off of the oils and the butters and other products. And I think that you're going to get that feel of, man, I'm having a good beard day more often. You guys, I hope that helps you out. My name is Joe. I go by JT9, just a guy making videos as I'm growing out my beard, and I want to help you. If you have suggestions for videos or you got questions, leave it down in the comments down below. And hey, I'll see if I can help you out, right? All right, guys, you like my content? Thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys soon.